Hey, welcome to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Requiem for Vengeance Gundam EX from the Netflix series. If you have seen the anime, you already know this is not an ordinary RX-78. I know, it's not very good looking. I guess it's just built to fight.
I've got the bastard!
This version of RX-78 comes from a much darker chapter in the Gundam universe, and trust me, it's a whole new take on the classic design. These fold-out menus always get me. I never know which way I'm supposed to flip it. Someone asked how I cut the pieces out. There's honestly no special technique. I just cut them off the runners and clean up the nubs with my Tamiya knife. I actually forgot I just changed the blade and ended up poking myself. Let's begin with the chest assembly. One thing that makes this kit stand out is that it actually has an inner frame, which is pretty uncommon for an HG. The color scheme is mostly white and gray, and the only part that gives off that classic RX-78 vibe is the red fruit armor. In Requiem for Vengeance, the story leans into the Zeon side and flips how you see the RX-78. I used to be a fan of original Gundam, but now it feels less like a classic hero and more like a cold, unstoppable force. This ammo belt is a soft rubbery plastic that plugs into the backpack and hooks up to the Gatling gun. I started off with my usual cheating method, mechanical pencil for the main panel lines, and went in with the Tamiya Essence Colored Black for the finer details. It's just a snap build, so for the very least, I gotta throw on some panel lines. If you're into something a little rougher than the typical polished Gundam, this kit gonna hit the spot. These stickers comes in big sheets that fully cover each part, which is a big improvement over the rectangular ones with visible outlines, but I'm still not into them. If they're not applied perfectly, you get little bubbles on the surface, and that kind of ruins the finish. The whole look is different. Chunky, cool, and definitely not your average good guy Gundam. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Saku or Gundam after watching Requiem for Vengeance? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and as always, keep building, and see you next time.